Good morning, students. Lesson 5 Graphics in Publisher 2013. Our today's topics are Introduction, Inserting a picture, and Cropping a picture. So, watch the video and practice it. You must have noticed that most of the advertisements you come across have pictures, which makes these advertisements appealing. Graphics such as pictures, shapes, charts, and building blocks are used to add visual effects to your publication. They make the document more attractive and more interesting to read. So children, if we add graphics like pictures, shapes, charts, building blocks, and many more in our publisher page, then it looks more attractive and more interesting. In publisher, the options to insert picture and various shapes are available in the illustration group on the insert tab. So you can see here in the insert tab, this is illustration group. You can see here you can insert pictures, online picture, shape, picture placeholder, and this is the building blocks part. Now working with pictures. Publisher 2013 offers an easy way to add pictures to your publication. In Publisher, pictures can be inserted from any of these sources like pictures stored on your computer, Bing Image Search for pictures on the internet, OneDrive. You will need an internet connection for accessing pictures through the Bing Image Search and OneDrive. Now, we will see how to insert a picture. You have learned how to insert picture from your computer in Word and PowerPoint in the previous class. Now, in this class, we will discuss about the steps to insert a picture in your publication from Bing Image Search here. First of all, the step 1 is click picture placeholder in the illustration group on the insert tab. So, in the insert tab, this is the online pictures option. Click here. The placeholder gets inserted at the center of the page. You can see here. Now click the placeholder icon to display the insert picture dialog box. This is the insert picture dialog box. Now in the Bing Image Search option, click here and write whatever you want to, which type of picture you want. For example, bird clip art. And then press enter key. You can see a gallery of pictures appear. Now click the picture which you want and click on insert. This picture gets inserted in the publication page. Notice that if the picture is selected here, then you can see the format option on the picture tools tab. You can see the format tab under picture tool tab. Now with this format tab, you can format this picture. Now we will learn about how to crop a picture. You can crop a picture even to the specific shape and remove its unwanted portions. So, if we want to remove unwanted portion of this picture, then we have to crop the picture. First is on the format tab under picture tools, click the drop down menu arrow of the crop button in the crop gallery. You can see here this is the crop option. So click on drop down menu here. Now select crop to shape. If you want to crop simple, means in rectangular shape, then click here and simply you can crop like this. This is in the rectangular shape. See here. And if you want to crop this with any specific shape, then click on the crop menu again, drop down list and crop to shape. If I want to crop this picture with the shape of oval, Then click here and crop like this. Now see the changes. So with these two options you can crop the picture with simple rectangular shape and crop to shape, which shape you have to select. Then you can crop to shape this picture. So in this video you have learnt about how to insert a picture with Bing image search and how to crop a picture. So children, practice this.